Hello friends, very good morning. Myself Dr. M.H. Chennaiya, and in today's video we are going to work out a problem on the projections of a line which is inclined to both HP and VP, and this is going to be my video number 413 as on today. And friends, let's see what the question in store for today's video. The question reads like this: a line AB 90 millimeter long has its end A 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. So friends, first of all, let us write down that there is a point A which is at a distance of 20 mm above HP. So 20 above and 30 millimeter in front of VP. So we are going to have these 2 points A dash and A marked 20 mm above XY and 30 mm below the XY line. And the line is inclined at 30 degrees to HP and 40 degrees to VP. They are given theta is equal to 30 and phi is equal to 40 degrees. And we are required to find out the projections of the line. Friends, I have told you in many of my previous videos that whenever a line is given to you, first of all you have to mark one of the end points, that is the front view and top view of the end, say A. So friends, they have given here A is at a distance of 20 millimeter above HP. So I mark A dash at a distance of 20 mm above HP, and the point A, the top view of the end A at a distance of 30 mm. So this is how the end A looks in the front and top views. Now friends, we are given with the true length of the line and the angle it is making. So friends, true length is represented by A dash B1 dash is equal to AB1 is equal to 90 mm. So friends, at the point A dash, let us draw a line inclined at an angle of 30 degrees to HP. That is theta is equal to 30 degree, and mark this point as B1 dash. So A dash B1 dash is the true length of the line, which is equal to 90. See, please follow clearly. And on the same lines, let us mark the other line AB1 at an angle of 40 degrees to VP, and it also will have the same length. So I am going to mark here another line at an angle of 40 degrees to VP, that is phi is equal to 40, and I call this end as B1. So this is again the true length of the line, which is given to be 90 mm. So friends, we have exhausted all the data given in the question. So using this skeleton of the problem, we should be able to obtain the front view, the top view, and all the parameters asked in the question. Now friends, remember, whenever you have got the true length, either above the XY line or below the XY line, you can follow this procedure, friends. Draw a vertical line from there till it touches the locus of this end A here, and friends, from there I am going to draw an arc taking A as center, this distance A1 as radius. We draw an arc. Friends, that arc intersects the locus of this end B at this point, and that's going to be the point B. Friends, if you join A and B, you get AB, which represents the top view of the line. So you have got the top view of the line. If you want, if you're asked to find out what is the measurement of this, you can also just keep a scale and measure it. Friends, remember, always in the projection of lines, A dash A lies on a vertical line perpendicular to XY, similar to the end projector B dash B also lies, B dash and B lie on the same vertical line through this. So we have the point B, you can write a vertical line through this upwards till it cuts the locus of this B at point B dash. Friends, if you join A dash and B dash, you get A dash B dash, which is the front view of the line. So you got the front view, you got the top view, and these two are called the projections of the given line AB. Friends, we have completed the projections of the line, and let's see what are the different parameters that have to be calculated. So friends, let us see. The question says, the distance of the end B from HP and VP. We are going to find out how far is this end B from HP. So I will mark it here as distance of B from HP. That can be measured by keeping a scale between this horizontal line, that's the locus of B, and the XY line. This will give you the distance of the end B from HP and the distance of the end B from VP on the same lines, friend. If we can measure the distance of this locus of B from XY, this will give you distance of B of the line from VP. So this can also be measured easily by keeping a scale between XY and the locus of V. Friends, finally, we have been asked to determine the distance between the end projectors. So friends, if you have got a line AB, then A dash A is one end projector which is perpendicular to XY. On the same lines, B dash B is another end projector, and if you want to find the distance between them, the distance between them can be measured by extending this line and by measuring the distance between A dash A and B dash B. This is called DP, that is to say the distance between end projector. Friends, I hope the presentation was interesting, and I am very sure that all of you would have followed the instructions given to draw the projections of a line which is inclined to both HP and VP. Generally, this type of questions are very important from the viewpoint of examination or test. And friends, I request you to please go through the complete video, and if you are happy with the presentation I have made on this projection of lines where a line is inclined to both HP and VP, please share the information about this video and about my YouTube channel Mechanical Engineering by Dr. M.H. Annaya with all your friends. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Have a blessed day.